grammar of ao. We always say faster ao. Ao is mean do something together. So how to use? When you use the grammar of ao in Japanese, you use the verb in mass form, but you have to cut out of the mass out of the verb, and you end by ao. You should know that ao we can use in kanji or we can use in hiragana. As you see here, we have two cases. You can use both cases. So sometimes you will find that you will find some sentence or some word that is used in hiragana. So you should understand that if you see like this, it means ao. So when you use the grammar of ao with the verb, you should change the verb to be the mass form and cut out the mass out of the verb. So and after that you end by ao. So it means doing something together. To make more understand about how to use the grammar of ao, the next we are going to see some example. The first example. 私たちはその件について話し合いましょう。私たちはその件について話し合いましょう。Which means, let's discuss together regarding that matter. Let's discuss together regarding that matter. The next example. 二人は愛し合っている。二人は愛し合っている which means those two are in love with each other. Those two are in love with each other. In these two sentences, you will see that for the first sentence, you will see ao in the verb hanasu. If you change the verb hanasu to be mass form, we can use like hanashimasu. So we cut out the mass out of the sentence, so we just left only hanashi and followed by I, it or I. So we can say hanashi aimasho, which mean talk together, talk to each other, or talk together, something like this. So for the second sentence, you see that they use the grammar of ao with the verb of aisuru. So we change the aisuru to be the mass form can use by like aishimasu, which means love. So when we cut out the mass of the verb, there's still left only aishi. So followed by ao, but we can say atteiru. So we can say aishi atteiru, which means they love. That two people, they love each other, something like this. For example, I love you and you love me, each other. So the next example, チームだから困った時は助け合いましょう。チームだから困った時は助け合いましょう。Which means we are a team, so whenever someone is in trouble, let's help each other. We are a team, so whenever someone is in trouble, let's help each other. The next example. 私たちはお互い助け合うべきだ。私たちはお互い助け合うべきだ。Which means we should help each other. We should help each other.